Top of the morning. I need my sunglasses so I can do this properly. Top of the morning, evening, night, or day, ladies and gentlemen. This is me here today on behalf of Well Prepared Man. And in today's video, I am excited to unbox two pairs of shoes. One pair of shoes. It's sandals actually. And I've been trying to buy these sandals forever. But every time I go to the Decathlon to buy these sandals, they don't even have the sandals, or they specifically don't have my number. You see what I'm talking about? It's just not available. My shoe size is 46. So in Portugal, it's really hard to find shoes my size. Actually, was one of my favorite things about England. I could buy shoes anywhere, because people have big feet too. But who the fuck is gonna wear sandals in England? Without socks. But yeah, I'm happy I didn't buy them at Decathlon because they cost me 10 euros. Actually, they cost me 11 euros and 20 cents. And here are the sandals. They're meant to be the Forclaz barefoot something something. Decathlon calls these the MT500 and they're worth 25 euros brand new, boy. They're super light and they're foldy. And the sole's in pretty good condition. I'm gonna put it in the washer before I use it. But I'm super hyped to actually own these sandals, because I've been looking for these sandals for well over a year now. And you know how Decathlon is. After things have been selling for a while, eventually they get new ones in and get these ones out. And I thought Decathlon nailed it when they made these sandals. I actually only ever seen them online. So I'm super psyched to actually have these sandals, man. What the fuck? Right, the second pair I've got here today to show you guys is also from Decathlon, but obviously I didn't buy it at Decathlon. All of my following orders that you will see in the next couple of videos will all come from Vinted, because I realized there's amazing deals to be had out there, and I'm kind of a fool if I don't make the most. Okay. I was trying to open the box without showing you the label, but it does not work out. So this is the shoes. These are Mocassin, I think that's what you call it in English. I got these shoes for 10 euros. 9.64 with shipping included. The reason why I got these shoes is because they're from Decathlon. Got the logo here on the bottom. And the reason why I got these shoes is because a few months ago, I went to Decathlon to change clothes. Basically, I was about to hop on a flight and I was gonna go on a date on the other side of the flight. So yeah, basically I had a few hours to change clothes. I went on over to Decathlon, bought some new clothes, threw the clothes that I had on my body away, including my shoes, and these are the shoes that I bought. Now, these are my tri-board something something from Decathlon. And I've actually been using these shoes for skateboarding because they're that comfortable. I paid 40 euros for these shoes, like 40 euros. And when I was on Vinted, I saw exactly the same shoes that I was gonna buy. I would have bought these if they didn't have these as the only shoes that they had available in my number. You know what they say about guys with big feet? We use big socks. And sometimes they don't fit inside any shoe. I ended up getting these ones because these ones were not available in my size. As a matter of fact, I actually think that they went better with my outfit at the time. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that this was my only choice because they didn't have any other 46s available. 10 euros, which means I can still afford to buy another 3 pairs of shoes before I match the price of these. And that's exactly what I did. When I paid 40 euros for these shoes, I thought, maybe this is a little bit too much. This is a 20 euro shoe. But after wearing them for this long, I would have paid $50 for this shoe. Or euros. I wore the crap out of this shoe and it's still here. Like literally guys, I've been using this for skating. And for a really long time, this was my only pair of shoes. I had a pair of trainers and I had these. And a pair of flip-flops, and that was pretty much enough for me to live at the stage of life that I was in. Anyway, now I got these, which they're clean. I feel like, yeah man, The seller did clean these out. They even have the sticker here on the side. I don't want my shoes with stickers, so I'm gonna pull this out. Okay, so we had this sticker over there on the inside, which basically tells us that this is made out of leather and the sole is rubber. Anyway, that brings us to the very end of these unboxings. I got some new sandals, which I'm freaking hyped to go and test, and some new shoes. I'm back because I realized I forgot to say goodbye. Goodbye.